Lesson 6.1, polygons. The word polygon means many angles, which is not really the way we want to. We want to talk about many sides. And the simplest polygon is a triangle. It's got 3 sides because you can't really have a shape, a triangle, a polygon with 2 sides. So let's be more specific. It has to have segments for sides. Sides can't be curved. So we'll write down yes or no. Is this a polygon? Yes. Is this a polygon? No. Sides don't meet. No. No. Or you could say this last one is 2 polygons. But we're going to go with no because it's got an overlap. The 2 sides can only meet at one point, so here you have 4 sides meeting at a point. And that point is called a vertex, just like in a triangle. So we got 2 different types of basic polygons, a convex polygon and a concave polygon. Convex has no dents in it, has no internal chunks. Concave has a little cave in it. It's like somebody kicked it and punched it, and gave it a little cave. That's how I remember the difference between the two. Convex does not. Words don't really mean too much, so unfortunately got to memorize them. I memorize concave, and then I back out convex from there. We will work almost exclusively with convex polygons, and we know that the internal angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Can we make a rule for any convex polygon? Well, let's just do this one real quick. How many degrees? Well, we don't know, but we can draw a line in and say that there's 2 triangles. So that means we have 2 times 180, 360 degrees. We can draw a line in, a couple lines in for a pentagon, 5-sided shape. Now we see we have 3, so that would be 540 degrees. So what's the rule? Well, it would appear that there's 4 sides here, and we multiply by 2. There's 5 sides here, multiply by 3, so it would appear to be 1 less the number of sides times 180, and that turns out to be what it is. Number of sides. Minus 2 times 180. So let's say how many degrees are in a hexagon. You've got the 2 ways. You can go 6 sides minus 2 times 180, 720 degrees. I really don't like people memorizing these things. I just do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 180, 720 degrees. Whatever you want to do. I personally find the other way, this way, more useful because when I get to it on a standardized test 3 years from now and I can't remember the formula, I've got that in my back pocket. So we label polygons by the number of sides. So we could have a 3-sided. I'm going to color coordinate these, so I'll just jump down. And you don't need to have these memorized, but it's kind of nice to know. 3-sided, of course, is a triangle. 5-sided is a pentagon. 7-sided is either a septagon or a heptagon. 4-sided is a quadrilateral. We're going to spend a lot of time this unit with these. 6-sided is a hexagon, as we said earlier. 8-sided is an octagon. 10-sided is a decagon. And 9-sided is a nonagon. Do you have to have memorized? No, it's just kind of fun. And for that reason, I don't tell people what the 11th-sided and the 12th-sided are. You got to go figure them out yourself, which I think is kind of fun. So that is about it, with the exception of a regular polygon. All the angles are the same. All the sides are the same. Look at an octagon here. Which is clearly not regular because I can't draw. But if it was, you'd have all the sides of the same length and all the angles are the same measure. So that is a regular polygon. Equiangular, equilateral. Same number of sides are all the same length. Internal angles are all the same measure. Remember that, it's going to pop up a lot. Good luck.